Imagine a place where millions of wildebeest thunder across vast plains, where snow-capped peaks rise from the equator, and where ancient spice routes meet pristine turquoise waters. Welcome to Tanzania, the heartland of African wilderness, a nation of unparalleled natural wonders and a rich tapestry of vibrant cultures. Get ready to explore the surprising good things and the breathtaking majesty that make Tanzania an undeniable global gem. Tanzania is synonymous with the quintessential African safari, and at its core lies the legendary Serengeti National Park. This vast protected ecosystem is where you can witness one of Earth's most incredible natural events, the Great Migration, an annual epic journey of over 2 million wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles across the plains. It's a raw, powerful, and utterly unforgettable spectacle of life, death, and survival. Beyond the migration, the Serengeti is a year-round paradise for wildlife enthusiasts, offering unmatched opportunities to see the Big Five and countless other species in their natural untamed habitat. It's a place where nature reigns supreme, providing a symphony of sights and sounds that truly embodies the wild heart of Africa. Rising dramatically from the plains of northeastern Tanzania stands Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest peak and the world's tallest freestanding mountain. Its snow-capped summit, Kibo, is an iconic landmark visible for miles. Kilimanjaro is not just a mountain. It's a dream for adventurers worldwide, offering a challenging yet incredibly rewarding trek through diverse ecosystems, from lush rainforests to alpine deserts, culminating in a breathtaking ascent to its Uhuru Peak. While demanding, the journey is an exercise in perseverance, a chance to connect with the planet's raw power, and a reminder of the extraordinary achievements possible when one sets their sights high. For a completely different flavor of Tanzania, journey to the exotic spice island of Zanzibar. This archipelago in the Indian Ocean is a melting pot of African, Arab, Indian, and European influences, evident in its architecture, cuisine, and culture. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleyways of Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its ancient mosques, bustling bazaars, and intricately carved wooden doors. Explore aromatic spice farms where the air is thick with the scent of cloves, vanilla, and cinnamon. Then unwind on Zanzibar's breathtaking white sand beaches, snorkel in crystal clear waters teeming with vibrant marine life, or sail into the sunset on a traditional dhow. Zanzibar offers a perfect blend of history relaxation and sensory delights. Tanzania's strength lies not only in its landscapes, but also in its people and their commitment to preserving their heritage. Home to over 120 ethnic groups, including the iconic Maasai with their vibrant traditions and pastoral lifestyle, and the coastal Swahili culture, known for its hospitality and maritime history, Tanzania is a testament to cultural diversity living in harmony. Furthermore, the nation is a global leader in conservation efforts, dedicating over 40% of its land to national parks and protected areas. This commitment safeguards its invaluable wildlife and benefits local communities through sustainable tourism, proving that economic development and environmental protection can indeed go hand in hand. Tanzania is an epic tale waiting to be experienced. The thunder of hooves across the savannah, the challenge of Africa's highest peak, the sweet scent of spices on an ancient island breeze, and the warmth of a diverse, welcoming people. It's a country that embodies the wild, the beautiful, and the profoundly inspiring. Has Tanzania captured your imagination, or do you dream of experiencing its wonders firsthand? Share your thoughts below.